Good evening, hello everyone. Today I am going to explain Blackburne Shilling rare. Okay, in this rare, black violates all the basic opening principles in order catch white off guard. At first, it looks like black is playing careless moves, but after 5 queen cross g2, you can see who is really in trouble. This rap come out of a variation of the Italian game or Gioca piano. Okay, first move is e4. The name is King's Pawn game. Second, first move of black turn e5. Okay, now e5 and next move of white knight f3. Okay, this call is King's Knight opening. After that, knight c6. Okay, knight c6. Then bishop c4. Now bishop c4 and knight d4. Okay, devious move. What white has to be careful. A devious move. This move is devious move. What white has to be careful. Okay, the fourth move of white, knight goes e5. This greedy what obvious move gets white in trouble. Okay. Next move is queen g5. Okay. Next move is queen g5. Then knight goes f7. Okay. Knight goes f7. Okay, we will see here. You can see right now the knight poked the rook and queen. Next move is queen cross g2. Queen cross g2. Next move is rook f1. Okay. Now you can see this rap because this is a very good and many players play this rap. Okay. Next move is queen cross e4 and we will check. Now totally white pieces lost this king. So because the bishop go to black the check or queen go to black the check, queen black this check or bishop black this check. What? Now the bishop black the check and totally here this knight. You can see the knight right now. Black knight come and check to the king. The game is over. Another variation, you can see another variation. Okay, another variation. The queen is here. What? Black the check right now and he lose the white pieces lose the queen. So this game is totally black pieces win the game. That's it. I will show you next game, next rap and another game tomorrow. Okay, that's it. Thank you so much.